Have you ever been in a situation where you're expecting an important call, but you're not sure how to answer it? Or maybe you've tried to answer a call on your Nextiva phone, but you're not sure what to do. If you're like most people, you probably have a lot of questions about how to answer your Nextiva phone. Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to answer your Nextiva phone in 4 easy steps. Nextiva is a cloud-based phone system that is used by businesses of all sizes. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay connected with your customers and employees. However, if you're not familiar with how to use Nextiva, it can be a bit confusing. That's why I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of answering your Nextiva phone. I'll also show you some tips and tricks that will help you make the most of your Nextiva experience. Step 1. Log in to your Nextiva account. The first step is to log in to your Nextiva account. You can do this by going to the Nextiva website and clicking on the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Nextiva dashboard. Step 2. Click on the Calls tab. The next step is to click on the Calls tab. This will take you to the page where you can see your call history and answer incoming calls. Step 3. Click on the Answer button. When you see a new call coming in, click on the Answer button. This will connect you to the caller. Step 4. Talk to the caller. Once you're connected to the caller, you can start talking. Be sure to be polite and professional. Tips and tricks. You can also answer calls on your Nextiva app. You can set up call forwarding so that your calls will be forwarded to another number. You can create a custom ringtone for your Nextiva phone. You can use the Nextiva call recording feature to record your calls. Answering your Nextiva phone is easy. Just follow the 4 steps I outlined in this video. With a little practice, you'll be able to answer your Nextiva phone like a pro. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I also encourage you to check out my other videos on how to use Nextiva. Thanks for watching.